Traveling with no international roaming pack can be tricky. Here's how you can activate international roaming pack for your Airtel prepaid number. Open the Airtel Thanks app. On the home screen, just scroll down to Shortcuts and select International Roaming. Enter the 10-digit mobile number and then choose the desired international roaming pack. Click on Activate Now to proceed. We now offer in-flight connectivity services using which you can stay connected while flying. Here's how you can activate it. While choosing the desired IR pack, just scroll down to find the In-Flight Pack section. Find the desired pack and click on Buy Pack to proceed. Important points to note. The in-flight pack is only applicable on selected flights as of now. Click on View Covered Flights to know the list. IR packs with more than 30 days validity entails free in-flight pack. Here's how you can manage the international roaming pack via Airtel Thanks app. On the home screen, click on the Services tab. Select the desired Airtel prepaid number. Scroll down to Upcoming Packs and tap on the Recharge to get further details. Please note, the pack gets auto-activated as soon as the number is connected to international roaming network. Once you latch on to an international roaming network, the status of the pack changes to active and you can see the pack usage just below the validity pack information. Our team works round the clock to provide solutions to all your problems. Get immediate assistance for international roaming on WhatsApp. Text HI to 99100 99100. Airtel Cares. We are here to help.